All right, here's another example. So notice here that we've got a couple logs over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these logs first before I use the equivalence property. I can't do it with the subtraction here. So I'm going to rewrite this as the natural log of x minus 4 is equal to the log of what? This is going to be using the quotient, so this is going to be x plus 6 over x, right? So I just used the quotient rule, the quotient property. Okay? And now I have an equation where the logs are the same on both sides, right? With the same base. So that means that the arguments must be equal. So I can set x minus 4 equal to x plus 6 divided by x. And so now I can multiply both sides by x, right? And so now I get, now if I distribute here, I get x squared minus 4x is equal to x plus 6. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move everything over because I've got a quadratic here, it looks like. So negative x, I'm going to subtract x from both sides, subtract 6 from both sides. And so I get what? I get x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. And so now I can use everything from our toolbox from previous videos and everything. So now I have what? 2 factors of negative 6 that will give me negative 5. And of course that's going to be 1 times negative 6. 1 and negative 6 will do it. So I'm going to write this as x plus 1 times, oops, hold on, yeah, x plus 1 and x minus 6. Is equal to 0. And of course, that means x equals negative 1 or x has to equal 6. And then again, we want to go and make sure that we stick it back into the equation and make sure that we have the right ones, right? So here, if we do, let's see here, we got natural log of x minus 4 equals natural log of x plus 6 minus the natural log of x. Okay, so now okay, so notice here, negative 1, if I stick negative 1 in here, it doesn't work. I get a negative number in here. So immediately, negative 1, oh, and over here too, negative, yeah, so negative 1 is not a solution, okay? Because we can't have negative numbers in the argument, okay? So that means x equal to 6 is the solution. Okay, so always check to make sure that they are valid solutions.